Hey y'all, so in this video I'll be showing y'all how I install my wigs. And yeah, so first I started off with bleaching my knots, and that's what I'm doing right now. I use 30 Developer in the BW2 packet. I know most people use 40 Developer, but all I have was the 30. It's not a big difference for real. With the 30 Developer, I just kept it on longer than if I had 40 because it took longer to bleach the knots. So right here, I'm just mixing the product together. When mixing the product, you want to make sure it's not too solid or too liquidy. So now I'm just applying it to the lace and getting ready to bleach the knots for real. With that, I'm just smoothing it on there. You don't have to really push it in too deep because you don't want to bleach the real hair. Like, you don't want to bleach the hair. You just want to get the knots. So I didn't push it on there. I just applied this gently across the lace. So right here, I'm just finishing up putting it on the lace and stuff like that. I let it sit on there for like 20 to 25 minutes. After the time was up, I started washing the lace. First, I started by rinsing the bleach off of it. I ain't gonna lie, at first I was scared to bleach the knots on a wig because I never had a wig that was colored before. I dyed my own wigs. I never got a wig that was already colored. So I didn't know the steps to doing it, but you just bleach it the same way that you bleach other wigs for real. So right here, I'm just showing y'all the lace after I washed the bleach off. It actually came out really good. I like the way it looked. Now I'm about to apply the shampoo and the conditioner. Okay, first I went in with the shampoo that I showed y'all right there. I already had this shampoo from when I bleached my hair, my real hair. And that's all I had for real. But I wouldn't recommend using it because I think it stripped the color from my wig a little bit. It didn't take a lot out, but it was like a lot of color coming out my wig. So yeah, I went in with that shampoo. It did work though. It cleaned it good. This is when I noticed it was taking the color off the wig. Like when I rinsed it out and the color was coming out, I was kind of confused. I wanted to hurry up and get it out because I thought the color was going to all come out. I didn't know what was going on. But it actually didn't take a lot out. But yeah, I was scared. So after using that shampoo, I didn't want to use the conditioner it came with. So I ended up going there with some silicone. I actually like silicone on my wigs. It make them soft and shiny. So if y'all don't use it on y'all wigs when washing them, y'all should. It really worked really good. And I'm going to show y'all the results. So this is the results after using the silicone. It made it just shiny like a cherry red color. It was so cute. This is the results after I blow dry my wig. So I started with the basics. I braided my hair down, put my cap on, and now right here I'm just putting makeup on my cap to make sure it blends in with my skin. Right here I'm just applying makeup to my wig to match the lace with my skin. So right here I'm just applying my first layer of glue. Now I'm going in with the razor to cut the cap. I like using the razor better than scissors. Right here, I'm just preparing my wig to be glued down. I went in with my second layer of glue.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses, hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. And you like, I'm not on no games. Well, baby, I've been peeping and you ain't been the same. Like, who been on your mind? Who got your time? Who you been vibing with and why can't make you mine? You used to be texting me, checking me, calling me your sign. And now you treat me like my word less than a dime. And if we paint a perfect picture, we can make it last forever. And you're the only one I want to wear my orange sweater. I told you I am down for the worse or the better, but I keep sticking to you cause I'm for a stupid letter. You singing love songs, love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs, love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs, love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs.
After I put the glue on, I went in with the blow dryer just to dry it a little bit faster. But the glue that I use actually dry pretty fast. As y'all can see, it's already kind of clear.
Bam, 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 Touch a trend, be wildin'. I'm grabbing the towel when she get to spin. She grab my shirt like Dirk, you'll hit it. Cause she know, she told me no nothing, and she was serious. She told me pull out and just bust on her titties. Cause she know, your problems, my problems, my problems, your problems. Cause she know, right out the sex, she on it. Put her to bed, I'm on it.
I'm going in with my third layer of glue.
I gave her some head, I'm on it. I might get a head with condoms. I don't believe in abortion. Why you trying to kill it? I got a fortune. From the trenches, I'll just right out the corner. If the love really real, I want it. With the jail, you stay down like lawyers. Say you let me be in, give me a quarter. Lost my brother and it's feeling like torture. You ain't go through it, you still in my story. Go to the rack and I go to the slums. Talking to Booga like talking to Vaughn. I put the city on top of my back, and I put all of the ops in my lungs. Thinking I'm dumb cause you calling me dumb. Fighting the case, but I'm riding with guns. Catching me cheating, I bet it's with babies. I bet you can't never catch me with a bomb. And I told you.
Now that I'm done with the glue, I'm lining my wig up with the hairline so I can glue it down.
It's the wettest, I said it, you happy, I said it. So then let's get it, I said it, this money is feel like a fetish. On the jury, ain't none of it rented. Google my name, they gon' say I'm a menace. A lot of these niggas gon' tell my business. A lot of these bitches gon' tell my business. I'm grabbing the towel when she get to spin. She grab my shirt like Dirk, you'll hit it. Cause she know, she told me no nothing, and she was serious. She told me pull out and just bust on her titties. Cause she know, your problems, my problems, my problems, your problems. Cause she know.
Now I'm going in with my band, and I kept it on for like 30 minutes.
I see her with her wig, she comfortable. I never cared about your past, it was fucking. And I know this shit forever when I'm touching you. Put my daughter in your stomach at the W.
How you gon' treat me like I'm see you? $100,000 cars on time. 24 hours, baby, 12 times. 7 days a week, I wanna see you. How you gon' treat me like I'm see you? $100,000 cars on time. 24 hours, baby, 12 times. 7 days a week, I wanna.
After I cut the lace, I just went in with some got to be spray just to make sure the lace extra laid for when I put my band on again.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses, hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. And you like, I'm not on no games. Well, baby, I've been peeping and you ain't been the same. Like, who been on your mind? Who got your time? Who you been vibing with and why can't make you mine? You used to be texting me, checking me, calling me your sign. And now you treat me like my word less than a dime. And if we paint a perfect picture, we can make it last forever. And you're the only one I want to wear my orange sweater. I told you I am down for the worse or the better, but I keep sticking to you cause I'm for a stupid letter. You singing love songs, love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs, love songs, love songs. You got me singing love songs, love songs.
Okay, y'all. After I took the band off, I went back in with some more makeup to make sure the lace matched my skin.
Is it me that you want, me that you want? Guess me that you want tonight. Cause I think we talk more than you're intoxicated. I need related. And baby, I hate that. Cause I think that this the only way you're gonna open up to me.
After I finally got done installing the wig, y'all, I started admiring how cute it was because this was my first time having red, and it was fur, and this is how it turned out.
Usually up to no good. Try to get you cause you're so